Hello. This video might be a little different than our usual ones. I have this old Whippany Dart here. Actually, a friend found this organ at a dump and gave it to me. It's kind of scratchy sounding and a lot of it is out of tune. So one video, I'll take it apart and show you what I'm doing to get it working again, cleaning it up and tuning it up. And then after that, if all goes well, we'll do another video where we get to use it making some music. The organ is held together with these hex head wood screws right along the perimeter. I'm not going to show myself taking the whole thing apart. If you're doing a project like this, you probably know how to use a screwdriver. Here's the legs, they just twist off, and there's a spot for them to be held in here. But I think I'm going to take them out of here while I flip this thing over.
Alright, so hopefully you can see this. What I do is I take this eraser, the kind you would use for model trains for the railroads, and I'm going to just clean each contact that way. I don't know if this is the best way to do it. I tried contact cleaner, it didn't work very well, and since I got this for free, I mean, it was something someone had thrown away, so I'm not losing anything here. Try my best cleaning with this. And then the inside part of the contact, what I did is I broke off a really small piece of this, really tiny here, and I cleaned this inner contact the same way. And I'm just doing this for every single one, just being really careful not to break anything. After this is done, I'll go through and vacuum everything up. It makes a little bit of a mess, but I mean the contact cleaner makes kind of a mess too, really. Alright, let's see if this seems to be working better. Get rid of the scratchiness, hopefully. Yeah, it seems to be working better. Still a ways to go. Pieces right here are potentiometers. You can turn them with the screwdriver. I think just, you don't want to go too far with it, but you can adjust the pitch. When I first got this, a whole bunch of sections were out of tune. So this adjusts a few notes at a time. By turning it counterclockwise, it will go up in pitch. See, going up. And then I can make it go back down in pitch by turning it clockwise. So clockwise makes it go down in pitch and counterclockwise up. And you can adjust each little section this way. So each of these adjusts a few notes at a time. If you see this blue one right here, this blue one adjusts the bass section. It didn't just adjust the entire bass section. I don't seem to be able to get it perfect, but it's already a lot better than when I started. I am not sure what this one does. I've tried it. I can't figure out what it does exactly, so maybe someone here knows. You can put a comment. I heard that if you had problems with individual notes, you might have to make some changes to the resistors here, but I'm not that technical with it. I'm just trying to get it to work best I can. All cleaned up, and I basically got rid of all the scratchy sounds now, I think.
It's pretty cool to have an electronic instrument with chrome on it. So we're doing some finishing touches, polishing up the last bit of chrome here, making it shine.